have a mystery jewelry bag, and we're gonna go through it. This was $20, or $1 a piece, and I was like, I'm just gonna get the bag. So let's go through it. I see a lot of bangles, and I have small wrists, so we'll see what fits me and what doesn't. This one's broken, so I will not be keeping that. Another bangle. I have to do the test. Yeah, if it falls off, I can't keep it. Yep, see? Alright, I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to come back and just show you what I keep and what I don't. So far, I'm not keeping these, but I am keeping this one, because it fits. It has something on it, but I'll take it off. We're going to go through other things. We have some earrings. I don't think I'd wear those. Christmas pin. I'm going to try to skip the bangles. We have a necklace, a lonesome necklace with a bead. Hold on. So they are bracelets. One has like a ball and one is a locket, but I won't wear those. A bunch of hoop earrings. Maybe the small ones I'll wear. A heart pin. A very cute bangle. I'm gonna wear that. I like that. That's cute. Just some diamond studs I'll wear. More studs I'll wear. Oh, probably not the cherries. A necklace. If you're a Libra. I'm not. We have a snowflake pin. Cute. A bangle. Nope. We have one of these like snap bracelet things. It is cute. I don't know if I'd wear it though. I'm gonna keep it. More hoop earrings. I will keep. I actually don't even have any hoop earrings. Uh-oh, I think something's broken. We have a bead. Oh, we have a pair of Shein earrings. Those are kind of cute. I don't know. They're huge. We have a blue bracelet thing. Nope. Oh, these are cute. Pearl hoop earrings. Are these are from Shein too. Might make me turn green with Avon box. This is gonna be old. This box is, what is that? It's like a baby carriage. What the heck? I don't know. There's nothing to put a ring. I don't know what you would put in there, but there's a little window. I don't know what I would do with that. Oh, we have another bangle thing. No. Oh, I thought this was an earring. It's a bracelet. I don't like those. I don't really like these bracelets. I don't know why. Oh, I just don't like dangly things on my wrists. Some pearls. No. More pearls. Why does this yellow kind of match my shirt? That's funny. I said I don't like dangly things, and oops. No, that smells. It smells like my grandma's camper. I hope these are chokers. I don't know. Let's see. It's a thing of chokers. I think I choked myself too much, but I can loosen it. But isn't that cute? All right. I'm keeping all these. Yeah, this bag is completely full of bangles. Really fun, cool ones. But I doubt that half of those are gonna fit me. We have alien earrings. I probably never would have picked these out, but since I have them, I like them. I'm keeping those. Some Christmas earrings. Okay, I need to find out if these are chokers. They're chokers. Okay. These are really cute. There's a flower one, like a meshy one. I probably won't keep that one, but I'm putting it in the keep pile for now. Oh, okay, Shein. Those are cute. Yes. Love grandma. My grandma won't wear that, so. These are going to my kids. They're hair clips. That's cute. Some trash. That's awesome. More Shein, just pearl studs. Keep. DeBello accessories. Made in China. Okay, this one has a heart on it. Green heart. You know, my daughter is a St. Patrick's Day baby. And you know what? I'm going to keep this and wear it for her birthday. Ooh, that one's pretty. I'm keeping that one. And then there's another green one. I don't think I need two, so. This is crazy. This bag is looking like it's just bangles. I might have to do a part 2 of bangles. If you like bangles, you can check it out. Oh, this is giving me Harry Potter vibes, like the goblet. Although the goblet looks totally different, but that's cool. It's kind of heavy. I feel like I want to keep it just because it's so interesting. No, can't. I'm going to keep it. It might move to my not keep pile, but we shall see. Oh, we got long beads. Can do lots of layering. See, that's too long. Maybe I can do 3. I don't know. Oh, yes. No. Lots of beads. Wait, that's a mess. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do a part 2. Maybe even 3. There's so much left.